Day 23 of being a chef on the yacht. I have some hot dog buns that need to be used up, so I made a French toast casserole with some milk, eggs, sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Chopped up my buns into small pieces and then threw it in the oven. Also made some scrambled eggs with smoked Gouda and ham. Made everything look nice and pretty, and breakfast is served. After I cleaned up my galley, I started marinating my filet mignon, just in a simple teriyaki marinade. Threw some spaghetti squash into the oven, and I told Jerry to keep an eye on him because I had to provision on the island, and guess what? He forgot about him. But good thing the generator cut off, so it saved him. When I got back from provisioning, I made Captain Mark some brown butter chocolate chip cookies. Since the guests aren't eating desserts, I decided to make the crew happy and make their favorites. I highly encourage you to brown your butter when making cookies. It's next level. I'm making Korean grilled octopus for cocktail hour. Oh, and I got these mushrooms at the store today. They call them brown mushrooms, but I think they're like the hen of the forest or like the chicken of the garden. I'm not really sure. Seared off my mushrooms, grilled my octopus, and served them with a wedge of lemon and creamy garlic sauce. Then I grilled off my filet mignon, and then got started on my pad thai. Sliced up my medium rare filet mignon, set the table upstairs for dinner, and then plated dinner. Garnished with a fried egg, roasted peanuts, and some scallions, and served mochi for dessert. Bye, little chef.